Hi everybody, it's the 2nd of March. So I'm a bit late coming to the video. So this is based on the two-step. First, we're going to identify direction as always between 9:30 and 10:15 on the 5 minutes. So this is ES, by the way, and I am on 5 minute. So we're just going to wait, determine direction. Once we have that, so we have a confirmed swing low and a confirmed swing high, we just wait for a retracement into a 5 minute fair value gap. And finally, we do two things. We confirm, so we get some confluence based on the fib and the fair value gap. And then we calculate the trade. Basically, we plan the entry, we plan the stop loss, and the targeting. Targeting is simple because it's just based on the fib. The tricky part is determining where your stop loss is going to be. So again, this is based on the 5 minutes only. No other time frame is used for the two-step. Yes, the two-step can work on other time frames, but I only use the 5 minutes. So I'll see you in a while. All right, guys, it's 10:10. We don't have a swing high. We do have a swing low right. Sorry, my microphone is messing up. We do have a swing low right here. If I grab, so we have that there, swing low. We don't have a swing high on the 5 minutes. I'm not actually watching the 1 minute at the moment. I know there's a lot of news, a lot of stuff happening, but again, we're just following the process as we normally do. So I'll come back once we have a swing high and a retracement. We do have a 5 minute fair value gap here, so we can use that. There's also one here as well, potentially. So I'll be back once we retrace and hold. All right, so I just want to mention a couple of things because it looks like we are forming or have actually formed, no, we're forming a swing high. We are currently, for the day itself, we are at extremes. Okay, so I've mentioned this before. Um, in the overall context of the day, the average range, so from one extreme to the other, is generally around that sort of 70-ish points. Um, a standard day is just below that, so 50-ish points. Average probably 70-ish. And then anything kind of above that is you're really getting into extremes. So we're already at 100 points for the day at an extreme. So basically what that means is I'm not really looking at price extending beyond where it currently is. Does that make sense? I mean, we can challenge it, but I'm not really thinking it's going to extend beyond that based on that simple calculation. That means that I would want to see a extended retracement or a deeper retracement uh, based on this last range. So from this low to potentially this high, I want to see a deeper retracement. What that means is that when price goes back up again, I don't need it to even take out the high. So this high right here, okay? I don't need it to take out the high. I just need it to just go back up. So if we take the range currently from this low to this high, uh, just that we've already done 75 points. So there's a more than enough points if we can get a deeper retracement. Okay, so a deeper retracement. That's what I'm looking for. Something really deep. So 79, 88 fib, 75 pip around there, and then look for any move back up. It doesn't have to take out this high. It just needs to go back up. I'm looking for about 20, 25 points. That'll be great. So that's the plan. Let's see if we can execute on that. Okay, it's 11:10. We are getting close to lunch, which is noon, and we've just taken out this high. We retraced, but we didn't go below this 38 fib and no 5 minute fair value gap. Now, there may be a fair value gap on lower time frames. I haven't actually checked, so let's have a look. Uh, I mean, there's one here, uh, but not really significant. And on the 15 minutes as well. Let's have a look. Yeah, none. So what this means is this is probably likely going to be a potentially PM trade or a sort of intercession trade. In any case, I'm not getting involved with this just because we didn't have that deep retracement that I wanted. I don't think there's that much upside from here. Um, I'm not saying I'm correct. I'm just saying, just based on my experience and probabilities, I don't think we're going to go like higher, right? We've already hit 100 points for the day. How much more can we pretty much get from the day? So we are at extremes. Again, what that simply means is to extract value from this, I need a deeper retracement, and that assumes that my direction is still biased, going bullish, right? Um, if of course price runs down and takes away the fair value gap, takes away swing low, and runs to the opposite direction, so runs to the opposite side of this pink box, then of course you can ignore the entire bullish uh, bias, basically. So I think we're going to bring this to a close. Um, Not much today. It is Monday, so it's pretty much a setup day for the week. If you like the sound of the two-step model or you just want to watch more of it, stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video.